Hi, welcome to my how-to video. Today what I'm doing is pressure washing, so basically showing you how to get grime and scum off of a client's house. What we're dealing with today is plastic siding, so it's really not that much. It's not hard. Stay tuned. Any questions you have, leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer. As you can see, right now I'm just knocking the dirt off it. Once I clean it up, get all the dirt off it, and then we're gonna move on to the water. What I'm using is just regular degreaser, regular hot water. It's not that much dirt, it's really like residue from the trees and stuff like that. So it's not that hard to easily come off. So I just finished with the degreaser. I just finished putting all the soap and scrubbing. Now I'm going to the water part. The water part is simple. It's just basically rinsing off because you did all your work already. You scrubbed, you cleaned, you did everything you wanted to do to get the dirt off. You loosened it up, and now all you want to do is just rinse it off. This is just the easy part. It dries on its own. Thank you for watching this video.